Hello everyone, welcome to craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use Rico Essential Crochet yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter as shown now and earrings hook. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make 12 chains as shown now. Then close with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make a chain and make 18 single crochet stitches into the ring, then close with slip stitch. Then make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet together into the same stitch as shown now. Then make 5 chains and skip next stitch. Then make 5 double crochet together into the next stitch as shown now into the same stitch. 5 double crochet together and repeat the same sequences 8 times to have 9 popcorn stitch at the end of that round, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then cut our yarn and fasten off. Then contrast color to green and join the yarn above the next popcorn as shown now. Then make 5 chains, then make 5 triple crochet stitches into that space as shown now. Then make 5 chains and make single crochet into the same stitch, into the same space as shown now. Then make single crochet into the next space and 5 chains and 5 triple crochet stitches into the same space, the third triple crochet stitch, that is fourth, and that's fifth triple crochet stitch. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into the same space and repeat the same sequence 3 times again as shown now. Then make slip stitch above next bob cord as shown now. Then make 6 single crochet stitches into the next space. And make slip stitch above next bob cord as shown now. Then make single crochet into the next space and 4 chains, and then make 5 double crochet together into that space, 5 double crochet together, and continue making 5 double crochet together again into the next space to have 10 double crochet together into that 2 spaces as shown now. Then make 4 chains and make single crochet into the same space and make slip stitch above next bob cord as shown now. Then make 6 single crochet stitches into that space, then make slip stitch above next bob cord and cut our yarn and fasten off. Then join the earrings hook as shown now. Now I finished a crochet earrings and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.